Hello guys, I have the beautiful birthday edition of Glossybox and I'm super excited to share it with you. So stick around, stay tuned and let's dive inside the box. So this is the beautiful version of Glossybox's birthday box. They are celebrating their 9th birthday and I think I've been subscribed to Glossybox for 3 years now, maybe a little bit longer. So it's really exciting that they are celebrating their 9th birthday. I will link down below my referral code, so if you would like to purchase a Glossybox, if you use that referral code, you will get a discount off your first box and I will also get a small commission from it. So feel free to use that if you'd like to. So let's have a look and see what the first item is. So it's pretty exciting that Glossybox have just launched their skincare range and I have got the Eye Boost Cream and it is a full-size product. Now if you're a subscriber you can purchase this for £16 and if you aren't its value is £20 and it's really exciting that they've decided to release their own skincare range. They've described it as we're going to be the first to try this product. Its formula blends elderflower and bright eye and red seaweed extract, which was supposed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, and it's supposed to help refresh tired looking eyes. Now I really like eye cream, so I'm excited to try this and see how this works for me. I love putting some eye cream on in the morning as I find it kind of refreshes my eyes and gets me ready nice and bright eyed for the day. So that's really exciting. I really hope that it does well for them. It's vegan and also cruelty free. So next we have one of these sponges, these makeup sponges. It is the HD Wonder Complexion Sponge by Brushworks, full size. And I have quite a few of these actually at the moment going, but you know what, it's really handy to have some as spare, so I'm more than happy to have this in the box. This retails for £5.49 and it says it's a 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour and highlight. So there's the rounded side which helps cover larger areas and the flat side to cover imperfections and tip to reach smaller areas with more precision. And this is the shape that I always buy and the size. So if I'm buying one of these sponges, this is exactly what I will buy. So pleased with that, will definitely get used. I'm just going to wait until I've finished the ones I'm currently using before I start a new one. So really pleased with that. Feels nice and spongy, feels good quality. So that's a really nice product to get in the box. So next, I'm really excited about this. This is their kind of big product that they've got in the box this month, and it is the Huda Beauty Dem Matte Cream Lipstick, and this retails for £18. Now, I absolutely love Huda Beauty. I really love their lipsticks. I've got a few already, and this one is gorgeous. I'm going to swatch it for you so you can see what colour I got. You could have got one of 10 colours, so people will have slightly different colours, I think, in the box, so that's really exciting. There's the colour. I love it. It's so pretty. A really nice colour and definitely one that will suit me and I will wear. So really, really pleased with that. Really nice lipstick. And yeah, really happy. That's such a great product to get. It says it dries a satin finish, creating sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. And then we've also got with it this lip liner. So it's a Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner. Again, full size. And it retails for £12.09. So I think what's quite good about this is you can see it will go with the lipstick that I've got. So that's really good that you kind of get a combo there that will work together. So that's really awesome. Now we've got this Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. It's the Dulux Mini, so this is worth £7.33. The reason why I stumbled there is because I saw the retail price and thought it was for this little mini, but the retail price for the full size, which is 300ml, is £22, so that is really expensive. I like to keep these ones for when I go on holiday, so that's going to be really cool. I keep it, it'd be nice to pack in my bag and use when I go away, if I go away anywhere. So that's really awesome. I think my favourite item has to be the lipstick and also the eye cream. So some really great items in this month's box. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to slay that subscribe button. Let me know down below in the comments what your favourite item is in this month's box, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when one of my videos has been uploaded. I hope that you have a wonderful, amazing, magical day wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you very soon.